Hey y'all, welcome back to another vlog. First of all, I want to apologize for sounding like a man, but my nose is so stopped up. That's why I sound like this. But I still wanted to vlog today because I have a fun day planned. I am going to Nashville with my friend Olivia and her friend, and we are going to the Nordstrom Sale. I am so excited because I've never shopped this sale in store, so can't wait for that. And then we're gonna try and go to the new Dolly Parton themed restaurant. I really hope that we can get in because it looks so dang cute. So I will definitely show y'all around there if we get to go. And then there was a couple of other stores in the mall that I wanted to go to, Vici and the Morphe store, because I haven't been since they opened those. And then I think we're gonna try and take some content pictures, and yeah, I don't really know what else we're gonna do. I guess whatever we want while we're in Nashville. So I love going to Nashville and I'm just so excited. But I'm in my car, obviously, on my way to meet Olivia, but I wanted to let y'all know what we were doing, just in case I forget once I get in the car with them. I might vlog on our way, but more than likely I will see y'all in Nordstrom.
One piece. Wait, where's the camera? I was like, wait.
Here it is. We're a little early, so we have to wait. But I think it opens in about 20 minutes. But there's a really cute Nashville sign, so we may go over there and take pictures. Waiting to go into Nordstrom.
Oh, I look like a terrible person without my mask.
Olivia is already on the hunt. Well, this is the dress that I wanted, but they just have 3XL, 2XL, so guess I'm not getting that. So on to the next thing. And if y'all have been wanting the Spanx Leggings, they are on sale. That's what I'm wearing today. Love them. They suck everything in. They're so comfortable, really high-waisted. And then they also have these Spanx dress pants. They are so cute. They're on sale too. And then they have like the seams in the back. So if you wanted like a dressier Spanx, those are so cute, and they're so soft too, so they will be so comfortable. So yeah, those are on sale as well. So let's see, they're normally $128, they're on sale for $84.90. And then just the regular Spanx, the faux fur ones, normally $98, on sale for $64.90. So they are so cheap during the sale. So definitely grab a pair if you have been wanting them. They are definitely worth the splurge. Leopard, y'all know.
Oh, it's leopard. I thought it was snake skin.
Yeah, isn't that so cute?
That is cute. Oh, and they've got the matching top.
And pockets. So here is what I'm wearing today. My shirt is from the Sassy Queen boutique, so cute. And then I have on my Spanx faux leather leggings, and then these really cute shoes that look like Golden Goose from Lizard Thicket Knoxville. Hopefully y'all can hear me okay since I have to wear a mask. Here is what I was most excited about. And don't judge me, but I'm getting another Barefoot Dreams blanket, and this is the only color, so it looks like this is the one I'm getting. And they had Daisy's sweater. I'm so excited. I know it's expensive, but if you're wanting to splurge, get it during the sale because it's the cheapest it's ever going to be. So it's actually 2 days after I went to Nashville. I had planned on showing y'all everything I got and ending the vlog the same day, but I was so tired whenever I got home. I think it was around 10 o'clock when I finally made it home, and that's actually early for me to be awake, but I guess since I got up early and just being in the heat and gone all day, I was so tired. So here we are today. So I'm going to show y'all everything I got from the Nordstrom sale, and then I'm also going to show you a few things that I got at other stores. But anybody and everybody can shop the Nordstrom sale this Wednesday, August 19th. So I wanted to go ahead, show y'all what I got in case you want to try and get any of these items. So I think I'm going to start with what I was most excited about. Olivia was making fun of me because I was so excited, but I got Daisy a Barefoot Dreams sweater. This is one of the main things I wanted to get. How cute is this? It's the same color as my cream Barefoot Dreams blanket, and it's just as soft, and I am so excited and so obsessed. So it was just randomly laying on the Barefoot Dreams table. This was the only one, and it was her size, and that never happens to me. So it was meant to be, but I just think it is so cute. I tried it on her. She didn't seem to mind it, but it does have a collar, and she's just 7 months old, so she's still in her puppy chewing phase, so she was trying to like bite at the collar, but it's way too hot for it right now, but I think she's gonna love it, and I'm so excited. So we're actually getting another dog. We're getting Daisy a sibling, and I'm really hoping that these come back in stock because they have a black and white one that I want to try and get for her sibling. We have not announced if it is a boy or a girl yet. Yes, I am a crazy dog lady, but I did a poll on my Instagram asking y'all if you want her to get if you think we should get her a little brother or little sister. It was really close, but the majority of y'all said a little sister, so you will just have to wait and see what we get. It's actually her real sibling. It's from her parents, just a different litter. We're getting it from the same people. So can't wait. I think we still have to wait another 4 to 6 weeks. But yeah, I'm really hoping I can get them one too. So while we're on Barefoot Dreams, I'll go ahead and show you. I got another blanket. So I'm not even ashamed to say that this is my 4th blanket. I have a problem. I think I'm so obsessed because they're leopard print. And just in case you're new here, I'm obsessed with everything pink, everything leopard print, but they really are so soft. I feel like I'm wrapped in a cloud. So if you have been wanting a Barefoot Dreams blanket, definitely get it during the sale if they're in stock. Right now they're all out of stock, so I'm really hoping that they get more. But this is the cheapest I have ever seen these is during the sale, so I try and not stock up, but I usually get one during the sale, or I save my Nordstrom notes. That way I can use that for money off of them because they are pricey. They're normally $180, but for the sale they are 35% off. So love this one. I think it is so cute. I'm really hoping the camel color comes back because I kind of want that too. Yes, I have a problem, but it's fine. So these are the 2 Barefoot Dreams things I got, and I really wanted the Barefoot Dreams cardigan in this color, but of course it was sold out. And then I wanted a leopard dress from BP, also sold out. The lady at Nordstrom said that the dress might come back in stock, but she didn't know about the Barefoot Dreams, so I may just have to wait and hope somebody returns my size. But those were the two of the main things I wanted, but they didn't have them in store and they're sold out online. So I'm really hoping that they restock a lot of stuff on Wednesday when it opens to everybody, because I know how aggravated I am at a lot of stuff being sold out. So I know those of you without a card who want to shop the sale, I know y'all are just as aggravated. So I'm really hoping that they restock a lot of stuff. But let me give y'all a tip. If you see something that you are really wanting but it's not your size, buy it, and then when your size restocks, you can exchange it for the anniversary sale price. Even if the sale is over, you can still get it at that price. So go ahead and do that. And Nordstrom is always free shipping, free returns. They actually send you the return label with your order. So that's one of the reasons I love shopping with Nordstrom, because of that. And they have really great customer service. And then the next 2 things isn't really that exciting, but I needed them and they were on sale, so I grabbed them. And they weren't on a huge discount, but the Nike shorts, they were on sale for $21.90 and they are gonna be $30. So not a huge discount, but still on sale, and I really like this pair. And then I also got this color too, which is not really showing up on camera, but it's a really pretty kind of Tiffany blue color. So if you need any Nike shorts, definitely check those out. And then I also got this pair of just kind of sleep shorts, lounge shorts, pink leopard, and they are so soft. Let's see. They are the BP brand. And normally $25, on sale for $15.90. But I just thought these would be good for just lounging around. And then they also have pockets, but I thought they were really cute. So if you didn't believe me about leopard print before, you're definitely going to believe me after this video, because more leopard. But I just thought this was a really cute shirt. and it is so soft too. And I don't really have a whole lot of long sleeve kind of fall winter clothes, so I thought I'd go ahead and get this one. It's by the brand Socialite, and it's normally $39 and it was on sale for $25.90. And then the last thing I got at Nordstrom was more leopard. So I saw these during the preview and I knew I had to have them. I thought they were so cute, and they're also so comfortable. They are the Hunter rain boots, and they come in a little bit taller, but those are not flattering on me. So I went with the shorter ones, and I like how they are stretchy on the side. And I did size up. I'm normally a size 8, but I went with a 9 because they don't come in half sizes. And they were a little snug when I had on thin socks. So I wanted to size up, that way if I wore thicker socks in the winter, they would still fit and be comfortable. So I would maybe recommend going up a size. So we were at Green Hills Mall, and they just got a Morphe store a few months ago, so I wanted to go by there, and I saw this new palette and it was so gorgeous, so I got that, and that's actually what I have on today. I just filmed a tutorial, but it probably won't be up for another couple weeks, so be sure to keep an eye out for that. And then I'm also going to do a swatch that palette video as well, so you can see all the colors. But here is what it looks like. It's called 35C Everyday Chic. I'll go ahead and show you the inside. Is that not so pretty? I love all those colors. There's neutral, some brighter colors, some darker colors. I think this is going to be the perfect fall winter palette. And then I restocked some of my favorite brushes. So my #1 most used brush is the M441. This is the brush that I use to go over all my shadow to make sure it's nice and blended. And then I also got another 433, which is the one I use for my outer corner. Both of those were looking pretty rough, so I restocked those. And then this last thing I'm going to show you, y'all may not care about because it has to do with organization, but I've been wanting something for my shoes because I have a lot of shoes, and my makeup room closet is where I keep them, and it is a disaster. So we went by the Container Store and I found these. So I didn't see the box, so I didn't see that it said adjustable. So Olivia's friend Alora was playing around with it and saw that it extended. I was like, that is perfect. So I went ahead and bought 2, and my plan was to set them along the bottom of my clothes, but I forgot I had totes and stuff. So I didn't realize, another thing I didn't realize was that you could stack them on top of each other. So that's what I did, and then put them at the back of my closet, and it works out perfectly. And these were just $17, so really affordable. And I am thinking about maybe getting another one, and I think it comes in a silver color, but I wanted white because everything here in my makeup room is white, even though it's in the closet and you can't really see it. Wanted white, so yeah, I really like these. So that's everything I got when we were in Nashville. I really hope y'all enjoyed seeing everything. If you have any questions about any products that I bought, or if you have any Nordstrom Sale questions, definitely let me know. But I want to know what your favorite thing I bought during the anniversary sale was, so comment that down below. And if you like this vlog and you're excited for more, please give this video a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I make new videos every week, but I don't have anything else to say except thank you for watching, and I'll see you on my next video.